How to wrap text in Google Sheet. Tired of your text getting cut off in Google Sheet? Wrapping text keeps everything visible by making the content flow neatly within the cells. No more hiding notes or awkward stretch columns. Let's learn how to keep your text clean, readable, and perfectly displayed. So, here you can see a text passing through the cell. I want it to over here you have to select the column or the row. Then over here you can see two arrows pointing. If you tap on it like this, if you tap it twice, then it wraps the text and fits in automatically. Now it's easy to wrap text and no uncomfortable text or stretching columns.